Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Duhaney Park Primary on 5 and Maldon Primary on 6. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off. So let's begin with the math face-off with Captain Calicia Miller from Duhaney Park up against Janae Marshall from Maldon. Calicia, what is the equivalent of the Roman numerals C, L, X, X, V, I?
176.
Correct. There are 5,400 men and women living in a community, and 2,800 are men. How many are women?
2,600.
Correct. What is 693 divided by 7?
99.
Correct. What is 0.68 as a proper fraction in the lowest term? 'Question passes to Janae. Would you like to try?
No, miss.
17/25. And Calicia, your last question. What is the 13th number in the series 2, 4, 6, 8?
26.
Correct. Janae, what is the equivalent of the Roman numerals L, X, X, V, I, I?
527.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Calicia?
Yes, miss. 77.
Correct. Janae, there are 3,700 people working in a company and 1,900 of them resigned and left. How many persons remained with the company?
1,600.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Calicia?
Yes, miss. 1,800.
That is correct. Janae, back to you. What is 792 divided by 4? 'Calicia, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. 198.
Correct. Janae, what is 0.85 as a proper fraction in the lowest term?
8/5.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Calicia?
No, thank you, miss.
17/20. And Janae, your final question. What is the 15th number in the series 3, 6, 9, 12? 'Question passes to Calicia. Would you like to try?
Yes, miss. 45.
That is correct. The end of the math face-off takes us to science, and this face-off is between Jaden Kalitas from Duhaney Park and Ashley Chin from Maldon. Jaden, what name is given to water as a gas?
Liquid.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Ashley?
No, miss.
Water vapor. Jaden, complete this statement with the correct words. The structure that joins the embryo and the placenta is the?
Umbilical cord.
Correct. Which simple machine uses grooved wheels and ropes to raise, lower, or move a load?
Pulley.
Correct. An empty bottle with an inflated balloon over its mouth is placed upright in a pan of hot water. What change will take place with the balloon after a few minutes? Would you like to try, Ashley?
No, miss.
It will increase in size. That's the balloon will increase in size. And your final question, Jaden, which 7-letter word starting with M means to use an instrument to find the size of something?
Measure.
Correct. Ashley, what is the name for the space that an object or material takes up? Would you like to try, Jaden?
No, thank you, miss.
Volume. Ashley, complete this statement with the correct words. The thin root that branches out in many directions is called the... Jaden, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
Fibrous root. Ashley, which simple machine is an object with a slanted side with a sharp edge and can be used to cut materials apart? Would you like to try, Jaden?
Yes, thank you, miss. Inclined plane.
Incorrect, it's a wedge. Ashley, if a rodent is kept under a glass container for a long time, it will die because of a lack of which gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jaden?
Yes, miss. Oxygen.
That is correct. And Ashley, your last question, which 8-letter word starting with N means a substance that provides nourishment for living things? Would you like to try, Jaden? Jaden, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
The answer is nutrient. We move on to English language, and this face-off is between Taishane Stewart from Duhaney Park up against Captain Ikea Bennett from Maldon. Taishane, give a 4-letter antonym starting with L for the word hate.
Love.
Correct. Complete this idiom, which means someone criticizes another for something that they themselves are guilty of. The pot calling the kettle.
Black.
Correct. Spell threat.
Threat. Threat.
That is correct. Taishane, what is the singular form of the word fungi? Fungi.
Fungus.
Incorrect. Would you like to try Ikea?
No, thank you.
It's fungus. Taishane, change this sentence to the present continuous tense. I live in Jamaica.
I live.
Question passes to Ikea. Would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. I am living in Jamaica.
Correct. Ikea, your questions. Give a 6-letter antonym starting with A for the word depart.
Arrive.
Correct. Complete this idiom, which means something which happens infrequently. Once in a blue. Would you like to try, Taishane?
Yes, miss. Moon.
Correct. Ikea, spell relief.
RELIEF.
Correct. What is the singular form of the word geese?
Goose.
Correct. And change this sentence to the future continuous tense. I traveled to New York.
I am traveling to New York.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Taishane?
No, thank you.
I will be traveling to New York. That brings us to the final face-off in social studies. This is between Kayanne Taylor from Duhaney Park and Kalena Davis from Maldon. Kayanne, which parish in Jamaica is located between St. Elizabeth and Clarendon?
Manchester.
Correct. Which region of the Earth's atmosphere absorbs harmful rays of the sun?
The ozone.
Correct. Who is the Prime Minister of Barbados?
Mia Mottley.
Correct. Which country is to the immediate southeast of Honduras? Would you like to try, Kalena?
No, thank you.
Nicaragua. And Kayanne, what does Carifesta stand for in this region?
Caribbean Festival of Arts.
That is correct. Kalena, your questions. Which parish in Jamaica is located between Trelawney and St. Mary?
St. Anne.
Correct. What name is given to gases in the atmosphere that trap heat?
Carbon dioxide.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kayan?
No, thank you, miss.
Greenhouse gases. Kalena, who is the Prime Minister of the Bahamas? Would you like to try, Kayan?
Yes, Miss Hubert Minis.
Incorrect. It's Philip Davis. Back to you, Kalena. Which country is to the immediate east of Haiti?
Dominican Republic.
Correct. And what does CXC mean in this region?
Caribbean Examination Council.
And you got it right in before the bell. So we have at the end of the Junior Challenge Face-Off, Duhaney Park on 23 and Maldon on 13. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.